Alright guys, right here at the Joliet prison show. This is the line. This is wild. But definitely come out. It's a great time. And yeah, let's go check it out, see what they got inside. Yeah. So what do you think of this blazer, dude? I love it, dude.
Nice.
It looks very nice. We're here at the Joliet prison show for you guys to see. Good turnout. Very surprised. You got big wheels, big caprices, big donks. This one looks real nice too. I don't know, man. For me, this is something I always liked. I always liked the two-door blazer, man. This is always a clean one, dude. So I've always liked that. And it has the Mexican, the front grill. You know what I'm talking about, Rick? Yeah, and you got this one. Those are nice too. I feel like that was like a very 90s thing. Remember that in the 90s, right? Like that was a, yeah, and then it's got the body kit too. That looks clean, dude. Oh, look at that blazer, dude. All right, Rick, what do you think of this one?
Nice. 28s.
Damn, they did a good job with this, dude. This is clean, man. This is real clean. Yeah, they bringing in that OG pressure. Josiah? That's hard, man. I like this. Damn, look how you can see the clouds and everything. That looks clean, dude. Oh, okay. That's nice. Oh, my knee. Should go hard. All right, this is clean. Very nice. Got the bird on top. It's a Bel Air. Looks to be like a 54. Super nice. Viejitos, Joliet. Nice. Interior, clean. Tuck and roll seats. Very clean. Very nice. Oh, he's got a picture of his, he's got a model car of his own car. Nice. Actually, I haven't seen any of that before. That's pretty cool.
Gosh, look at it.
This is real nice.
Yeah, I got it.
Alright, looks like we got a 3-window Chevy 3100 here. Maybe 1950. Nice colorway. Looks clean. It's got the little eyelids on the actual lights. Got the spokes on it. Interior looks good. Looks like they changed it up. Same way I got mine. Oh, you got the tank relocated in the back. And then, yeah, you can see the tank right there. Interesting. I wonder where the bumper went. That's my question. Okay. Oh, I still got the original gauges. Very nice. Got the seat. It looks like the back is missing. Oh, okay. That looks very nice. It's got that little sparkle in the paint too. I don't know if it shows up, but yeah, this is pretty cool, man. Huh. Very nice. Very nice.